How to change currency on Steam. Well, this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is just simply log in to your Steam account. You can open your Steam account to any web browser, but this time I'm using Google Web Browser. So once you're here, just click this account, go to account details, and then once you're here, what you're going to do is simply look at your currency at the moment. As you can see, I am currently using BAT. Okay, so my country is Thailand. Okay, this is just an example. So to change that, you just have to go to this part. And as you can see here, if you have moved to a different country, you may be able to update your Steam wallet and how you view the Steam store. You just have to click this Update Store Country. So update store and wallet country, you can read this part here, you can skip to that. And if you are unable to complete a purchase using a payment method from the region you have moved to, please contact Steam support. Tap that one. Now you have to skip to this and just scroll down and go to this part, contact Steam support. And here it is. Please select your country of residence. So you can just select your country here and then please supply details about your request. Hi, please help me to change my currency from, let's just say, from BAT to USD, something like that. Okay, and you can add something like, I really need it ASAP. Please help me to change it ASAP. Please help me to change it as soon as possible, something like that. And then here you can attach a file as a proof. And then once you're done, all you have to do is to click send and wait for the customer service team to help you fix this matter. As easy as that. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.